Good morning. I'm gonna head out to meet up a friend. We're going to Notting Hill at this place called the Churchill Arms, which is a really popular pub that sells Thai food, I think, which is interesting. Ryan has been there and he said it was pretty good, but I haven't been there yet, so we're gonna head out there, get some lunch, and hang out for a bit. It's finally not as cold, so I'm able to wear a lighter jacket.
See why it's like just open for so what is that? It sounds fun, but it doesn't help me.
Thank you. 맛있겠다. 얘도 귀여워. It's Friday. I am going out with some of my girlfriends. We're gonna go to the Wallace collection because they have some dog exhibition going on. So they are showcasing all these artwork that are portraying dogs. So we're gonna go see that, and then we're gonna grab lunch. And this afternoon, I'm actually gonna go get my COVID vaccine. I think this is my 6th or 7th one. Because of my condition and the medication I'm taking, I am immunocompromised, so I have to get my COVID vaccine again. So yeah, follow along with me today. just got my COVID vaccine. Usually it doesn't even hurt, but this time I could actually feel the shot and it kind of hurt. And I think it actually bled a little bit more, but that's okay. I'll just have this on for a few more minutes and I'll probably take some paracetamol or Tylenol preemptively right now so that I don't feel any crazy symptoms. And the rest of the day, I'm just gonna relax at home. Are you tired? Jet lagged?
I'm super tired.
I'm proud of you for working out though. Let's go eat. Happy Saturday. This is what? Berkeley Square? We are on our way to lunch. And it's super nice today. These buildings are so pretty here.
That's a great street.
Okay, so Ryan's gonna try out if he can do left hand first and then his right arm. It's
I got
tougher? Good job.
It's way harder.
Because I always put my jacket on left hand first, and Ryan says he does it on the right hand first side. But he did it.
I couldn't find the hole.
Coffee. I always cut off Ryan.
Always just get my shoulder.
Yep. And your chin.
It's a good chin.
It's so good, right? Another bite. It's so sweet.
Oh, it's amazing. She's an animal. She doesn't even use the spoon. Look at her. She's an absolute animal. No spoon.
my first Polene bag. Yay! I've been eyeing their bags for the past year or two, but I wanted to go to Paris and try them on before buying anything. But my sister-in-law from the US, she was traveling through Paris and she got me one. And I don't know how, but she got me the exact one that I've been eyeing. So let's unbox this. So this one's Numéro 9 by Polene. A little postcard. Dust bag. It's this little bag in a tan color. I love the color. It will go well with every outfit, and it is in this mini size. So I don't know if you can tell, but it's a little bigger than my hand here, which is perfect for me because I'm quite petite, so I always prefer smaller bags. So inside, looks like that. I don't know if you can see. And it also comes with a strap, so I can wear it crossbody. I love it. I can't wait to wear it. Thank you.